Hi, I'm Mr. Anthony, an economics super tutor as featured on Straits Times and BBC. How does the price mechanism address the basic economic questions? The price mechanism seeks to address the basic economic questions by determining the prices of goods and services as well as the factors of production through the interaction of the forces of demand and supply. Price mechanism serves as a signaling function for the free market, where market prices will adjust to demonstrate where resources are required and where they are not. The price mechanism performs the rationing function by rationing scarce resources to the production of goods which consumers are willing and able to pay for, thus addressing the question of what to produce. How much to produce depends on the relative prices between goods and services. The goods that bring higher profits will attract resources to it. The decision on how to produce depends on the prices of the factors of production, which is determined by the demand and supply of these factors as they affect the cost of production. For whom to produce depends on the income of consumers. In allocating resources to the production of goods backed by consumers' willingness and ability to pay, the price mechanism answers the question of for whom to produce.